this, right? You don't need to send the link again, because when you edit this, Dilansa, this is Abhinav's one. He's editing that. I can see that he's doing. Ronald still not started editing Ronald. So Ronald, you can edit it, I think. Tisal is editing now. I can see Tisal here. Tisal is there. He's editing. And Sanushi is still not started editing. Devudisi started editing, and I can see that now. And Dilansa, yes, you are going to yes, you have started editing. I can see. So no need to send it again. Right? Understood? So when you send this link to me, so it's available to me. I can see. So that's why I asked you to select Google Docs instead of MS Word, because I can see, then I can help. So what I cannot see now is, Sophia, I cannot see your one, Pute. Sophia, so do you need any help? Any help? You are using mobile phone or laptop? Abhinu, no need to send me again. Now I got 2 documents from you.
No, sir, that time the edited one.
Right. Edited one, no need to send, because anyway, edited one will come to me. Yes, Sophia, do you need any help?
Yes, sir.
Yes, what can I do? Did you create the document?
No, sir, it's hard to send.
Have you created the document?
Yes, sir.
Right. So can you see this screen now? So when you create, can you see this screen?
Excuse me, sir.
Wait, Pute. Wait till I help Sophia, then I'll get back to you, right? Wait. So you can also see this. Sometimes you are having the same issue. Right? See this? Right. Sophia, can you see this screen, Pute?
Yes, sir.
Can you see this share button?
Yes.
Blue color. Okay, click it. Click it. Did you get this screen? Share with group people or groups. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you type these letters? DASUN. DASUN. Again
Okay.
N. Again N. Double N, right? DASU double N. SIRI. SIRI. So those who cannot share, please look at this, right? DASUN N again SIRI @gmail.com. So can you type that without any spaces?
Okay,
Finish.
sir.
Then can you see something like this here? In the bottom, can you see something like this? No need to have the same wording, but something similar to this.
Yes, sir.
Right, okay, select that. Select that. Then can you see this kind of screen? After selecting. Can you see this kind of screen? Or not? If not, what you can see?
Sir.
Yes.
I can't see, sir.
Can't see. So what you can see? So can you tell me what you can see?
Wait, I can see, sir.
This one. This one. Still this one. Oh. Right. Can you click somewhere else? Can you click somewhere else and click on share button again? So you have to type your email. Type my email, sorry. Type my email. That's all. Simple. Or you can just click copy this link. Go to share button. There you can see copy link. Can you copy the link and send it to the chat? That is the second method.
Copy link.
Copy the link and send it to the chat. That is the second method. Here, copy link.
Excuse
Copy
me,
link.
sir.
Yes.
Can you please go back to the answers? Meaning you want to decorate a phone? Yes, thank you.
I have already sent this to you, Pute. So please, I'll send that link again, right? Check that. I have already sent this to you.
Okay, sir.
Check that.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay. Right. After copying Sophia, can you send it to the chat? Copy kala chat eකට දාන්න. Please send it to the chat. Did you get that document? Both Lasea and Sophia. Did you get?
Yes, sir.
Both of you. You got the document. Then, so what you have to do? So keep that document with you. That is okay. Keep that document with you. Then go to File menu and New and Document. File menu, New Document. File, New Document. Can you both click on that? File menu, New Document. You get it or not? Got it or not? Right? File, New Document. Okay, in case if you cannot get that, I'll help you in this way. I'll create 2 documents for you, but so you have to do this in practicals, right? I can give you these 2 documents for you. This is for Lasea and this is for Sophia. But actually what I need from you is you need to do this, Pute. This is for Sophia. So please listen carefully and do this. That's not bigger. That's not different thing. Let me share the link to you. Please edit this one, Sophia. මම ඔයාලට එකක් එවනවා ඒක edit කරන්න. So I have to create one for you, that's why. So and for Lasea, please use this one.
Excuse me, sir.
Wait, Dilansa. This is for Lasea. And I'm creating one for you as well. So please edit this document.